If you've opened Word and noticed the vertical scroll bar is missing, don't worry, it's a quick fix, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to turn it back on in just a few clicks. This is a really useful setting if you like moving through long documents more easily, and it can make navigating Word feel a lot more comfortable and familiar. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Word tips and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. To enable the vertical scroll bar in Word, first open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner and click File. This will open the main Backstage menu where you can access Word settings and preferences. From there, scroll down and click Options. This is where Word keeps all of its advanced configuration settings, including display controls and interface options. When the Word Options window appears, look at the list on the left side and click Advanced. The Advanced section contains a wide range of settings for editing, display, and document behavior, so take your time and make sure you're in the right place. Next, scroll down through the advanced options until you reach the Display section. This part of Word controls how the program looks on your screen, including visual interface elements that help you navigate documents more easily. In the Display section, find the checkbox labeled Show Vertical Scroll Bar. If it's currently unchecked, that's the reason the scroll bar is hidden. Go ahead and check that box to turn the vertical scroll bar back on. Once you've selected it, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. Word will apply the new setting immediately, and you should now see the vertical scroll bar on the side of your document again. This makes it much easier to move up and down through pages, especially in longer files. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the vertical scroll bar in Word. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss more easy Word tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.